Thank you for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, my old subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. And I hope our video have been helpful to you one way or the other. So today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make this crop top off shoulder crop top bustier. That's what we'll be doing today. So just watch this video to the end and don't forget to share the video with your friends. So let's get started.
Welcome back. We are doing up shoulder crop bustier. So what I'm doing there now is I'm measuring the top, like the length, because it's a crop top. So when doing it, you just remove from your tape rule. So that is what I've done there. So that is the length of the top we are making, that is the crop top. So now is the center side that I'm doing, the middle side. So the length of it is 15. So it's 15 that I've marked there. So that is the center front of it, the middle side. So this is the bust to nipple, that is nipple to nipple is what I'm doing there. That is the under bust that I'm marking. Under bust is 14. So you roll it, and that is the rolling that I'm doing there too. So after that, what next? So you will also measure from the center side to get your measurement and add to your measurement. So when doing your measurement, you divide it by 4. So that is the waist measurement that I'm doing there too. When do your waist measurement, you add. So after that, you connect. So that is what I'm doing. So I'm connecting it from the bust to the under bust, from the under bust to the waistline. That is to get the length of the bust, the under bust. So what I'm marking there also is 1 for us to do our cup now. So you mark the other side of it, 1. Also, you connect from the shoulder to the nipple, from the nipple to the under bust. So that is the under bust there. Can you see how it started coming out now? So you also mark to the length. So 1 is what we are marking there. So you connect now from the nipple to the under bust. So that's what I'm cutting there. You connect from the nipple to the under bust, from the under bust to the waistline. That is the length of the top, because it's a crop top. That's why it look as if it's very small. Don't forget we are making up shoulder bustier. So I'm done with the measurement. I'm done with the nipple to nipple. I've done everything about it. So now you now curve the downside. I don't want it to be straight. So it has done. The measurement is ready. So what you just do now, just for us to cut it out, and you can see how it has come out, like the diagram there. So we're done with it. So that is the center side that I'm cutting to the nipple. From the nipple, you cut it out. So don't forget that if you are cutting up shoulder, you take from your tape rule out, so that you will now get your length. So after your length, you start with the nipple to nipple, from the nipple to nipple to the under bust, from the under bust to the waistline. So you can see the cutting there now, and you can see what has happened there. The shape has come out. So that is the front side of the cutting that we have done. So after doing that, what next is to lay it to the back side and don't forget to add your allowance of the zip. So I'm adding the allowance of the zip, so that's what I'm doing there now. So what you just do now, for that side you use your whatever to lay it so that that shape of the side will not be there, because it's the back side that we are cutting now, so it must not have that shape there. So because it's the back, now you've cut it like the back side, have opened the zip side. So this is the side of the back side that I'm doing here. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment, so that it will go a long way. So that is the cutting now. So the back and the front is cut now. So that is the back side is ready. So you open it. Can you see that that shape is not there again? And what I'm marking it to see the back side of it. So now we want to cut the sleeve now. That is the sleeve and that is the length of it. So the length there is 11. It's 11 that is there now, that is 11. So both the allowance of the folding side of it. So this is how you cut your up shoulder sleeve. So this is the way you cut it. What I did here now is, because when cutting from the shoulder on it, on the fabric first, I take away 7. So the 7 that I'm removing from the length of the sleeve now. So from here now you are seeing is from the armhole to the round sleeve. So the sleeve is cut, it's already done, so we are cutting it out for you to see it. So that is the sleeve there, that is the armhole of the sleeve. So after cutting that, you will now cut the downside of it, that is the round sleeve. So I'm cutting from there where I chopped, that is the round sleeve, to cut it out to the armhole side. So that is it. The sleeve is ready also, is done. I've cut it out. So just for us now to show you how it is now. So it is done now. So it's up shoulder. Don't forget to do that. So now this is the sleeve and the length is 11. So now we want to cut the padding now. So you cut from under the bust, don't forget that, so that it will lay well. So we are using wadding to cut it out. It's what that I want to use to pad it. So that is the front of the nipple to nipple that I'm marking there, so that by the time you want to sew, you know that that is the nipple, the breast point. So that is it, that is the center one. So this one is the side of it. You also underline it and cut out to the under bust. What I did there is the under bust that I'm cutting it out. That is the line you can see, that is the under bust there. So if you want to make your own, so that is how you also cut it. And remember to notch to the nipple. So that is it, so that you get the nipple point side when sewing it. So it's done. So now you can see how it is now. We have joined it. You see how it look like now. So thank you for watching. So subscribe, make a comment. So can you see how it comes out? Very good. Thank you. Bye.